Checo! It's Sergio Checo Perez!
Lap with Max Verstappen. But I don't know why Mercedes are really doing this. He's
Valtteri, it's James. Please abort the fastest lap attempt before the end of the lap.
James, it's Valtteri. Fuck you.
¡Es trucha la remera!
Let me drive.
No, you're not driving.
Hey, you drive alone, right?
Look, the brakes. The brakes are screaming, not Yuki, not Yuki.
جابرييل مارتينيلي راح زاد في السرعة جابرييل يا جابرييل يا جابرييل يا مارتينيلي
Hülkenberg.
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 Sag's mal ein bisschen männlich.
Hey.
Hülkenberg.
Hülkenberg.
Genau.
Nico Hülkenberg. Nico Hülkenberg. Nico Hülkenberg.
Let's go back to the start of this race, 20 laps ago. And
yeah, he rolled. You know, he's looking in his mirrors and he rolled too far.
Later.
to the right-hand side behind the white line.
Okay, so the penalty was for being out of position in the grid box at the start of the race.
Later.
Thought against it, because guess what? He's got another effort with DRS coming his way. Esteban Ocon has got a 10-second time penalty for serving his 5-second.
What was the reason for retirement?
Save the engine.
Can you stay out on this condition? Can you stay out?
I hope he's got some sun cream on. Don't try that at home unless you've got the factor 50. He knows he's being watched.
You say again, what happened in T2? There were some ducks, you know, birds, who were having a swim. Okay, are you sure they are ducks? I'm pretty sure it was duck. Maybe a fish.
Every fucking driver, get out of my way! I'm Liam Lawson! I'm Liam Lawson! You're jealous that I'm quicker! Here's my middle finger, Liam Lawson! I'm Liam Lawson! Christian Horner! Fuck you! Helmut Marko! Fuck you! Danny Rick! Fuck you! Team Strategy! Fuck you! Alonso! Fuck you!
Smooth operator. Smooth operator.
I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch.
Last on the brakes, Leclerc has that inside line. Perez goes off the track, cuts the chicane. Off goes Leclerc, through goes Hamilton.
I am stupid. I am stupid. I switch off everything.
القول قول الصوارم كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراضي نساموا رسول أهل العزائم القول قول الصوارم كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراضي نساموا رسول It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? It's Friday!